So having come here today,
Yeah.
what challenges or problems have you experienced or relevant?
Ooh, because...
Oh fuck, what
Yeah.
happened? There's a weird set of drawings that don't have measurements.
Is that 120 though? Because it looks bigger to me.
It does look bigger to me as well. I'm just wondering, it definitely needs to go smaller, sorry mate. I'm just wondering if it's, I'm just wondering if 70 is right or not.
Could you just briefly introduce yourself, so your name and what your role is?
So my name's Lee. I'm the site supervisor carpenter. So I'm also like overseeing everything and a lot of the carpentry at the start as well. I think it's gone quite smoothly, to be honest. Everybody seems to be on top of everything. The plans are really good. So last week I was re-levelling a floor that has now been tiled, and it's looking really good. Hung some plaster this week, so now I'm putting on the skirts and the picture rails. Yeah, there hasn't been any major changes or any major disruptions. So now the tiles are done, the walls will get decorated soon, and yeah, it'll be all systems go after that. James will come in and confirm 100% whether everything's perfect.
Is there anything that's particularly worrying for you?
Yeah, I think this is too wide. Sorry, Lee.
Sorry.
I think this is too wide, mate. I don't know, was too wide. I think the gauge of it's too wide. I don't know, was it off the drawing?
Do you have the measurement?
Yeah, do we have the drawings? Just so we can
Yeah.
have a look, just confirm.
Okay.
So-
I mean, we don't have any measurements on this.
Okay, there's a weird set of drawings that don't have measurements. Did I send you through? There's another set that do.
No.
I think it is 120 though. I'm not concerned about the skirting. I'm just concerned about the.
Is that 120 though? Because it looks bigger to me.
It does look bigger to me as well. We do a very thorough design process, and part of that process is basically producing visualizations of the space that give you an idea of how the design's coming together and how it's going to look.
As with any project, once you start building, even though you have, your drawings and renders, and there's obviously professionals behind it, once you actually get into the space and you start seeing everything, on a real scale, you start making tweaks here and there. So there's going to be a couple of changes to some of the joinery and some of the heights just to better accommodate.
In terms of the skirting boards and the picture rails, the shelf in the middle was at a bit of an awkward height, so we've revised that. Won't take too long to fix on my end anyway. Yeah, it's not too big of an issue at all.
They use the existing.
No, they'll put a new glass.
Okay.
They said double glazed. I mean, we're going to have to discuss something for this with him as well, because...
Oh fuck! What
Yeah.
happened?
I don't know, man. I honestly have no idea.
When did you first notice it, Lee?
Chris noticed it last week when he was here.
Today is the first time that I've seen it.
Friday. But he reckons something must have hit it from the outside because it's splintered from this side. I do wonder if the heat could have done it as well. Because I honestly didn't notice it until Chris noticed it.
There's so many ways it could have happened. You could speculate forever. But I mean, it is what it is. It's one of those things that, all I know is that it needs to be fixed in time for the store.
Exactly,
being open,
yes.
So yeah, that's the priority, is working out what we're going to do.
Yeah. You have to expect hiccups as with any other project, but so far, communication is going well. Currently, we're preparing for the decorators coming in next Monday, so our goal is to try and get as much of the joinery finished so that they can come in and, work at the leisure. Other parts that should be finished before them would be first fix electrics, getting all of that sorted and ready for painting. That will be kind of like the very next step. Definitely not the most stressful job we've ever done. So I would say 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10 so far. Yeah, so far it's going
good.
well. We'll
Yeah.
see. I mean, ask us this question again at the end, and it might be a different result. But so far it's all going good.
Yeah.